Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I stopped by my Dollar Tree to pick up some sand. I needed the natural color sand for some of my projects, so I picked up two of these. You get 1.1 pounds of sand. I was tempted to buy all the colors they had because they had just restocked, so I'm like, do I need red sand? Maybe I need purple. I don't know. I could, use green sand. So I picked up just the natural colors. So I will have this available for my project. And then this is the fine grain sand. I picked up the fishing net in the green color and in the natural color. These are 6 feet by 8 feet. So if you stretch it, I'm sure you can get a longer length. So I want to use these in my garden because it is already put together. So I want to put my morning glory seeds in the ground, and I figured this will work really well. At the end of the season, I can just trim off and start all over next year. But see, look at this. I had thought about buying the poly mesh from like Home Depot or Lowe's. But look at this. This will do the same thing, right? See there? Isn't that neat? So anything like that is a delicate floral, this will work really well on, because all they want is something to twirl their vines around. So this will work really well. I like this. So I picked up the green one, and then I was like, well, maybe I will not have enough for whatever reason. And then I was like, well, let me get the neutral color one. And then I'm like, well, maybe I won't like the green one and I can use the natural color. Anyways, I was debating with myself, and I finally picked up one each. And then I picked up this. This is a Scrub Buddy. It is a non-scratch scour, and it comes in blue with the white handle. I just need the handle off this one. I need to just pull this off, and I want to use the white handle in a project. And because look, it's just glued on, it looks like, so it should come right off, especially if I wet it. Maybe I'll fight with it, but I will eventually disassemble it. I'm good at disassembling things. So I picked up the one, and then I picked up some more of these cubes because I know that they will come in handy come the holiday season. So I picked up 3 more, and I will put this in my supply box. While I was browsing in their garden section, I found these flowers. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? It is called a Trilea. Perhaps that's how you say it. It is Queen Fibola. I could be saying it wrong, but it is so pretty. It reminded me of the balloon flowers. I don't know the proper term for that flower, so this could be the same thing. But how cute. And you get 3 bulbs each. And while I was deciding which bulbs to pick up, I noticed they're already growing. Look at that. You see? Look at this one. This one's even more. Every single one is sprouted. So I picked up 4 of these. I thought they were really, really cute. So I'm quite happy to add this to my garden. And let's see. So these flowers get 12 to 18 inches tall, and its hardiness is zone 7 through 10. So full sun to partial shade. So it'll work great for my area. And adorableness. I love them. I'm quite happy I found those. This is everything that I picked up on my trip to Dollar Tree this time. I hope you enjoyed today's Dollar Tree haul. And I hope that you find everything you have on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.